afternoon, guys. This is Trading Universe here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful evening so far. I'm so excited to do this video with you guys. But before we jump right into the new strategy I got prepared for you guys today, just want to say, if you guys didn't see my previous video or you're new on my channel, I want to ask you to go check it out of the best support strategy in 2020. 100% winning strategy. You can make a lot of money. Don't miss it. Go check it out and also give a fat like on my video, guys. Let the support come my way, guys. Let the support come my way. That's what I want. And as well, if you guys have any questions to ask me or queries about my video, something you're thinking about, if you're thinking about trading, ask me any questions, because I'm doing it for a while now. I will reply on your answer, and I'll also give a fat heart to also give the support back. So don't waste any more time, guys. Let's get right into the video. So guys, today's strategy is also on trends, on movements, and you don't have to use 1,000 indicators to wait for the right opportunity to put in a trade, a higher call or lower call. In today's video, it's all about one indicator. One simple indicator, one simple moving average that can help you put in opportunity trades so that it can be in the money. So what is this moving average, you may ask? We're gonna try and bring my practice account from $190,000 to $200,000. You guys are new on my channel, you don't know what this broker platform is. It gives you a $10,000 practice account to practice. You can deposit real money in if you really want to. The link will be in the description down below. You can download it right now on Play Store. Get ready, verify your account, start making money. Alright, so how it works is, so we're gonna see where the market flow goes. So this is a very, very good example. When the market is moving up, when it's an uptrend, then you will focus on higher opportunities. And when the market is going down, when there's lower highs and lower lows, you will focus on lower opportunities. For example, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading opportunities in this minute from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock that can help you make money. So let's start with the downtrend. Okay, so the market broke through the moving average, and that's where a low opportunity can be done. So when the flow of the market breaks through the moving average, then on the next candlestick I will put a lower opportunity right here for 2 minutes, and then the market went back up, but it pulled back, and on the next candlestick it is in the money. And as you guys can see, there was a pullback right above the moving average again. I would wait it for this candle to finish, and then I will put in a call for 2 minutes, and from here 1, 2 in the money. And just after that winning trade, again it went down, it pulled back up, and I waited for the next candlestick to finish, because it wasn't above, but I waited for this candlestick to finish, and I saw it broke through. So it's not going down, it's an uptrend, and I would put in a call for 2 minutes from here, 1, 2 in the money. And that's what's gonna happen today. So guys, let me just put the moving averages on my currencies I'm using, and then we're gonna start to make a difference in our practice account and for you guys who are still watching this video. So now I got all my markets ready with the 50 exponential moving average. We can start on the euro and US dollar. While I was explaining you guys the strategy, we know there's an uptrend coming on the way, and you see the pullbacks on the moving average, and I think there's slowly one starting here. So we're gonna wait for this candlestick to finish, and then I will put in a call opportunity for 2 minutes. There is at least, I think, 10 seconds left, so we will see. Then I'll put in. Okay guys, before we get right back into the video, guys, if you guys enjoying my video so far and it's helping you a lot, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and put on the notification bell for any new content and strategies coming up on my channel every week. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, I've put a higher call. My first trade in this video, it's working perfectly. So we know it's a strong uptrend. There is a bullish is taking control on the moment. It's above the moving average, and the pullbacks happened at least 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And what happened, like I said, I waited for this candle to finish. So I saw this pullback, so I waited for the second candle to go down to see if it's gonna break through or it's gonna pull back, and it pulled back. I put in a call for 2 minutes, and as you guys can see, it's gonna be in the money. First trade in the money, easy. I didn't even wait at least 4 minutes, and there was opportunity came up. I was focusing on the bullish, I was focused on the upturn, waiting for the pullback, and I put it in a higher call, and it's in the money, and we go into the next market. Another very good trade, 33,000 in the money. 2 pullbacks. So the first pullback was right here, so I went through the markets. I literally missed this by a few seconds, but I put in my trade for a call, and then another pullback happened and it was in the money. So let's see for another opportunity. All right guys, and there is another trade that was in the money. 4th winning trade that is in the money today. So when the market went down below the moving average, there was a pullback on this candlestick, and then I waited and I see there's another pullback. But in this time frame I was going back to the other market, but then when I went back it went down again. So this candlestick gives you a good opportunity to tell you that the market is going down. It doesn't want to go up. So the bearish is very strong on the movement of the trend in this few minutes right here. And then I missed the trade on this pullback. When it went up and it pulled back, I missed the trade on here. So I placed a lower call opportunity right here. It went down in my time and it was in the money. The periods of 50 exponential moving average is one of the simplest indicators you can use to start. You can follow a trend when there's a strong uptrend or a strong downtrend. You can just follow the trend of the moving average, whether there's a pullback or a breakthrough, and you can put in a call opportunity if you analyze the market right. 4 trades in the money, we reached our goal of $214,931. Much more than I was expecting. I take chances on opportunities daily. Same must go to you guys. If you feel that this is the right opportunity to put in a trade, what the amount is, you need to take that risk and do it, because after that you'll just feel selfish because you didn't put in that trade and it might have been a winning trade. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. A fat thumbs up on this video. Thank you for all the people who watched till the end. If you want to download IQ options, the link will in the description down below. If you didn't see my previous video, go check her out right now. And I hope this video helped you out today. Can't wait to make my next video next week. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you all. Trading Universe out.